Welcome to In the Kitchen with Chef Lemaire. This is a special edition. This is a house visit edition. Thank you for watching. What I'm going to do for you guys today is a quick recipe that you can do yourself. As always, we're going to do a seared ahi tuna over a medley of vegetables with a soy glaze. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to cut these portobello mushrooms and carrots and onions and broccoli. We're just gonna take this tuna steak and we're gonna coat it with a mixture of spices that we have. Some Cajun spices, some fine herbs, and we're making sure we're coating it right on all the sides. In the meantime, we have a saute pan with some extra virgin olive oil, or you can use sesame oil if you want. We're gonna sear it. We want to make sure that the pan is really hot, so that once you put it, it sears it automatically, because you don't want the inside to be cooked. In the meantime, what we chopped up our vegetables, broccoli, mushrooms, carrots, onions. We have some scallions for garnish. We have some fresh garlic. And once we're done cooking the tuna, we're gonna set it in the refrigerator so it can set, so it can stop cooking, so we can have that nice rare inside. We have some sriracha, some soy, and some brown sugar, which we'll be using to do our glaze. So now our pan is pretty much piping hot, and what you really want to make sure it happens is that the oil gets to that smoking point. And when you mean smoking point, it's really when you see it start smoking, that's when it's really hot. So you don't want it to go over that, but just right enough. Then you put your fish in. And I would say about 10-15 seconds on each side. Again, you don't want to cook it well. You want to make sure that the inside is still rare. So you see, the outside is crisp because the pan was really hot, but the inside is gonna still have that nice red color. So we're searing all these sides. So now we're taking it off the pan. You want to reduce your heat. And we're going to set this in the refrigeration. We're going to use the same pan to cook our veggies. First thing we do, start with the onions. Then your julienne carrots. Some of the chopped garlic. Broccoli. Pretty much you want to go from items that will take longer to cook to the least time. Since we had sliced the broccoli really thin, and you want to use that pretty much at the end, and the last thing you want to use are your portobello mushrooms. Saute them, deglaze them with the soy. Perfect. Still have crunch in the vegetables. So I'm gonna set that on the side. And now we're gonna do our glaze. Add a tad bit oil. You want your garlic to cook until they become translucent. Now we're gonna add brown sugar, soy, and finish it off with some sriracha. Now you want to taste as you go to make sure it's well balanced, and if you like it a little spicier, you can add some more sriracha, but you want your sauce to have that glaze that is due with the brown sugar. So once it's done, you set it on the side, and as of right now, it's time for plating. Right, so now final step is pretty much plating. So we're gonna slice our tuna on a bias. That nice pink inside that you still wanna have. And you have your mixed vegetables. Put them at the center. Now, grab your tuna and you lay it down, and we're gonna finish it off with our glaze. And here you go. A nice, quick, and easy recipe you can do on your own at home, restaurant grade. You don't have to go out to eat this. You can do it by yourself. So again, thank you guys for joining us in the Kitchen with Chef Lemaire special home invasion edition. Thank you.